Abusia bibia kote bayira homam ama bayire am akese. Yenimu de asie but Captain Kojo Smart biko kwa pai wadwa lie wadwa stay bia bi concerning the issue of Galamsey. Captain Smart abebo na adwempa akire John Mahama, Attorney General, any NDC phobia obini we say omusha Galamsey ase. Hey Captain Smart, the sick asem I this current this for the man wadi awi wadi amuna say say ade ohia foforo. Me ma ntiri mu no akire wadwen ama me. Ewo comment section. Penyah block media. Mess was any demo. Obe like if video no that one subscribe button so back click notification and latest update. Now actually wadwen the mama ewo comment section. Mess was so no share video more for so any be ashe. Ejenyenim Ghana han when it comes to the issue of Galamsey, abia something which is there. Well I say ye modini abia bo achibidin oba wanya asem. O say hey oye MPP ni. Yes ya dey obi according to NDC dey obi biara be kan Galamsey ho asem no. Ba kro ye MPP. But Omo opposition there. Now they were the very people giving the then government pressure on Galamsey. But Omo pressure, NDC. Now this Galamsey issue, now we say now about the point is say, Takrade railway line no. Yeah, the assassin to Galamsey. Ama railway line in I say. I was say because Galamsey saying so say but the Najma bedu do my hene everything oh mo ka say Galamsey no I be West under Mahama no enti ehia say ye declare state of emergency mu nya mu twa tro na Galamsey under Mahama no call from pa I was say mo hwe na mo kan okre but on grounds no I feel na Galamsey no West ko ba bia na Galamsey enduru hoda no now e bia duru ho because Mahama krom bole Galamsey duru bole.
John Mahama's Bole constituency has become a hotspot for illegal mining activities, with the Black Volta River bearing the brunt of the destruction. The once clean waters are now discolored, posing a significant threat to farmers and thousands of residents who rely on the river for drinking water and daily survival. Heavy equipment, chamfan machines and pumping machines used by illegal miners have damaged arable lands. Fisher folks who depended on the lake for their livelihoods have been chased out, leaving them without a source of income.
Well, the pollution of the Black Volta River poses serious health risks to local communities, including the potential for chronic diseases like kidney failure, birth defects, and cancer. In response to the crisis, the district chief executive for Bole has taken decisive action, storming the illegal mining areas and destroying some of the equipment used by the miners. Well, thankfully, he joins us live here on Joy News Prime, the district chief executive for Bole, Mr. Abdullah. We appreciate your time here on Joy News Prime. We just wanted to find out this tip-off that you got that led to this operation. What exactly?
Galamsey Abeya West under Mahama. Now I know Anna Captain Kojo Smart already was Debbie. When it comes to the fight against Galamsey, Mahama himself together with Attorney General any NDC party no almost fairly totally at Captain Smart Abe clash with Mahama any Attorney General.
I said don't get here about state of emergency. Meboa. Sam George, you can about state of emergency. Medaka, Mekai, Akufa the time, Medaka. Obia slow state of emergency. Adinta, NDC from Pennyford to Galamsey. Go to the various constituencies and check. The general secretary, the secretaries, the chairman, the women organizers. What we not to Galamsey? You think we don't know? We know. We know. As a DC, our particular district, MC, our particular municipal assembly, MC, our particular metropolitan assembly. Na ye tu Galamsey wo ho, na ye ntimi stop here. Na DC, you know, MC, you know. Na almost so fast one is saying. Tell me. Shemo TV no so na kacha me. Sa Galamsey Fíght no makachira wo say enya ade bia ehu but the enti aban bia soro so be fight Galamsey ni say adwuma ni kurom ha adwuma eni kurom ha it is a kasa wo stop the boom wo yam betwa kuro African political parties including Ghana both NDC and MPP they are interested in the next elections they are not interested in the next generations me catch them plane me say attorney general we don't me more buying we man fighting Galamsey. I know what I'm talking about. And I buy we ankasa no te ho no onye ready so be fight Galamsey. I am a Ghana for so me meka no kra show plane no. Your Excellency. You see meeting the CSOs. Hwamu nyina no Mahama, I love you, I like you. But the most important thing is that it is not about just the meetings. We want to see action. Hey, Peter, Soja ni na oda anti-Galamsey Fíght na no your friend of Boa or a colonel of the Ghana Armed Forces. Yay. Or Chinkrofo the woman call police station here jawon. Somebody should come and sit and tell me that what I'm saying is not true. Or Ghana for kwa dia near the woman kugum. Or China for not the woman kwa near jawon. China ni net me nya kukudro afa 1.5 million Ghana cedis e dia kwa ko wura soja ni no office bisanse sa China ni no ma ya che ni ko no he ya ja no ozi o ya ja no me sani ama producer ama nabo ama wahu ebia wadwen ye o say mete ha na me bo mitirim na me ka kire wo time na ye say o mayim yenye mra na afei ye fanye Galamsey ewe ye kwayem ye ntumu gold no pacho Samra no beba no na ya attorney general we ena no da no ena ojitum the committee on subsidiary legislation it was chaired by him. Bring the attorney general's picture, let everybody see him. You think we are in this country to joke? Me, I'm not a joker. Me a Kofi Ghana me Kofi Jumau no my joke my jokey me to interpretation moka. This attorney general was the chairman of that committee. I G2 will say yenko to Galamsey where you if Mahama says he wants to fight Galamsey, why are they not repealing that law? If this attorney general was there addressing the CSOs, say Galamsey a big national issue, why are they not repealing that law? If a subsidiary legislation committee it means to say yenko to gold yenye Galamsey ewo Ghana kwayem na papa we on that TV so or na ye chairman ojitum am ye kokko ye na se na Galamsey ni mmere yen me ka ho ne ye de Galamsey wonim say Galamsey akufa do chemi 4 times me 39 times in 2 years no emu 4 was Galamsey akufa do am ye chemi 4 times oh Galamsey kanda pa me wofa me medi we chair campaign amam wedi MP medi wachi kandapa all the dirty jobs me na me ye kandapa ti me ye so me be che me wa yi ase all because me ka Galamsey asem bisa kandapa ya me se nyame betua wo nyina aka eti sa akufa do ya mamofo na waje atum wo na ban mu se yenko to Galamsey e wo ye kwaye na ye bo ho ban ni mu a adetra attorney general we are no ye the chairman. The committee on subsidiary legislation On table side and parliament say you repeal that law. I want the president to be bold enough. Your Excellency John Mahama, with all due respect to you as my president. Old man, my attorney general and Sanfanko parliament. Na ye repeal samra no enu na bema me menye GDS sir. John Mahama memwo person fighting Galamsey. Otherwise, won't be fighting. I'm telling you.
You see, the Penyah me catch was a Galamsey kono baby ababedu no. Si afia wanyim anyi na ni breso a e be say o my Ghana. Eti NDC titafo bi enya sansment di konke e de oba no mo kan say e na na akufa no power de na kai enu nti na akufa na ban ho biem no. Enu nti e na na do dan kwa akufa do ene MPP eni power biem no. Eti ya munya sansem ke kana e na akufa do onom 8 years de na kan ye. Da bia me ka 8 years ago na wotie journalist a edi atamo 8 years ago, na journalists are 18 penifo atem e wo TV ni radio so e na na do omachi o. E ti se ne wakoda sunya so na se bi adwenya ba otrim na abetie fia. Don't make you look as if say the first one tit ya kan wasem. Mo tie san kofre atumfo. Se munya wona edi atem ni anka asem bi do ma no kwa ni mu mo antie. Mo adwenya so na edi atem no e na ye o man adwuma. And now with the sumia so assembly adwin kakra ba mutrim a wo ba fie no it you think say ya nya hodwuma aka sakufa no so bia nke yini fra ban so o ka sakufa no so be Galamsey so ke tuni free ya tuni party fra ban so hwe rewe and then yakopan ya admo a ye train na se na yatimi aya aba kwan so mpakan Railway kwana nam so hwehwi kobam no ye ka benya bia ka hwani ni padasani e de Galamsey akwa akodu hwani ni padasani e de Galamsey akwa akodu na ato our party 20 Ghana member why you say me kan wasem and then we are finding a way to brand obi bia o ka Galamsey assembly say o ye MPP are we not sick? And no be okay Galamsey assembly in the eyes of an NDC or young people ni. Etimi aka wasem ye nyama because all part of power. This so to free Ghana. All part of power me aka adina e say o man asem. Ube chano nem we from my mu. Hwe ni padasani eye. Ni akia no atumtuo din sase bibia nsi ye de ya no fafa e de ku Galamsey na edi so nkonim. Let the reactions on the ground speak and then when Rebecca say Galamsey yan sovia wa yan pipini when Rebecca say Galamsey tiatisa dabi akufa do mo ka de one of the name gina so ma His Excellency John Mahama Ghana from pim nya gidi oni mu se obetimi abo ma years one e fi se wakon wasaba to hunu man Ghana na tui ekosi na afo nyina e tosumi ne ko betimi afa so fight Galamsey ene sema na NDC mpanfo bi e kan den in opposition ene ma Ghana fo be nya gidi ni awrehemu mu se yes okone na form baladi se be sha se huru results bia e chesampa aban etwa na mo ye nyina so gasa abanye bi now be on a first statement there be am ka ye ntesa mo nkrofo no ye the only see evil ye nyina kia no tum kan to say abanye bi there be abanye bi aban gusu ye bi ba ne kan say ade ne gusu edidi o minus and that's a fact we free money ye e bo ba akonie afia ke Nyankopon ya no afọ my Ghana your transportation sector no etumpon ya for the railways no say ya adwuma eye this is the time ni paboni for me kwa ya bretom say your railways ni kwan ni be and you think we shouldn't talk about it and you think we shouldn't talk about it because no me can be office or your MPP ni no young people no nya Ghana ni o young people ni wonya Ghana ni stop it. Let's stop that thing. We are building a nation, not political party. Collectively. You be care what we say buamu ade baako na etu saade we yase eti o man ni nya epenu o keso se ento wada enu wabobo ani tinu ofisi bibia you okay
when we are doing ourselves just here ho brofo akese anyansa nim and ye sorry ayeka maybe ye president in English and ye compulsory ye make wo brofo and chese won't be invest maybe ye Ghana man penny ne brofo ye de be kira de won't ho exams because who kwa China na China ni na say wo pane a brofo nka ho ye mfa brofo wo pane Ghana pe and wo feli obi krom kasa na ya ka kira wo say wa feli obi krom kasa nti won't be university won't be senior hey we are crazy. Da benda na uko UK ye ka cho say twi akwada bia feli twi e wo Glasgow eti won't be university. Da benda na uko America eti say akwada bi afeli ever mapo kata eti won't be university. Da benda na uko Germany ekwate say obi afeli gan enti ontimi enko university ukodu America wotro ye fa bibi TOEFL Massachusetts na ye fa no ukotro wotro mu krom kata to be able to understand, read and write as I went to me every America college uko Germany me pe me wasam opa asema me kan wa woni man tibi no ma friend no bi san tibi ane antiama ane me senuama me scholarship free say me koya me masters e Germany. So when you catch now, college na you select me no, we among trouble for her. Na me too I them go to Dutch. Time na your mom is university a cabro for no. Na ma bebebu. Me? Ah bebebu. I feel yantame piame yantibi piame gram bejem apostle ubejem wo krom kasa no ohia bisa wo ekọ Germany wo ekọ Netherlands sasa wo kọ ho na wo kọ ya adwuma ye bisa se krom ho kasa no wote wonte a wo besua ye yete ha kwasiasem I am sorry nana no ma hemfo ni penifo amutie mu mfa nchemi jimi sa na ye se akwada akọ school a fairly English pacho Messi cement ensuo ene ahwe a ye ka futufura ene ato blog wonte brofa wonte minto me nana kwaku bichem he woni ma me catch wa drive 60 years onya accident da on tembrofo Kwakumi Chame di 104 this year or that car. Ask me, Papa Penny 104. On fa kam pim da. But check one eka and the sokromodum the sokromotre. The tuntum ko the tuntum bra kwasia brofo sa e okrum ha accident and krofo nya okrum ha. Hey. Now the English and a measure intelligence in this country. Chakwesa one tebrofwa as a would the wound nimunyansa. But the best technicians in this world, woman PhD certificate. Moi. Kwajibi sina kwa cheke. Aye swa first degree. Bra media general hana be cheke. Aye swa master's degree. Master's imbo. Peter, what do you say? SHS moi. Abraham, what do you say? San Sabi was on what you have to man some babondin. Eti, esa would be cabrofo as a who saw answer. Answer na meme babon, and I prefer the brofo manager. Maybe I made the tree, ammonia better on my wine. It's a brofo some fast one say. And then they are called board, and I see when you do the graph and you put the graph here. You see, when you understand the dynamism of the market and you know the mass market, and then because you brought for no near the form, maybe I am going to see as a choba. Eti, and Quadano de Brofo, yet the Brofo na managing Ghana. Brofo. Well, Abraham Macron call UN General Assembly, or can you come Kasa? Meboa. It is a what to Brofo dia, unim dancer. But our person will come Brofo, I mendi coco. Mendi massa. O person will come Brofo, would fufu. Hey, I need to Kroma. On person beti tree. Okuje to black or interview tree no da. But on pe colonial master nkrom kasa aka. Na ye ni age. Akwete brofo na akufa do be bu ye kom apoda. Akwete brofo he o my Ghana pe na yetima. Sremuni and all yenda ka ho obi ampeso beso metiwe mintimi kan igbe ba betran cry from 2013 mintimi kan cry yempeo. But you see, I want to say that His Excellency the President of the Republic they are clear says so they are camera from tacha eh when me dey say anya professor bia wo Africa o yesikani ya Jimmy ya di obi kasa na ebobra. They say you be okuta PhD or what's capable to kodi sofo to say body yamche na so ko say make a chapel okuta PhD we are professor no person onye schedule this sofo professors don't say they be anima okruma pa cho ma me number 1 and you want am so ma ko so go. I am not against professorship. Neither am I against doctorate degree holders. No, but the point is that show me one. Show me one.
Chirawadwe mame ewo comment section. Aha Penyah Block Media.